There's people me can't even talk, I tell you the truth. It's a Methodist church, you know? It's a Methodist church. I can't really talk to tell you so or something, because it's too much. Too much. I would say 3 out of every 10 roof standing. I would say that. 7 out of every 10 roof gone. And other things, property, everything, you know. Enough damage. Enough damage. See it? Jelly place. Gone. Clean. Yeah. I send you a foreigner who want some money. Whole place mash up. A part of Pentecost Church of Forest Spear and 7 Day. And them no more Mrs. Spear. Everybody get licked. Everybody get licked. Right now you can stay a forest and sit kingless shield everywhere. The whole place mash up. Place we never expect to blow, mash up. Even the Church of God church, they hire them blow to the rooftop.
Don't show me out, try your phone.
Hi Shelly. Yeah, some money put on for give me work. Soon come, buy material. Yo! Hey, say Pooh, you relocate. They send your friend go beg money. Yes, people, Duanzil mash up as well. Me know Duanzil mash up, mash up, mash up. We never talk about gravelly because we don't have to go up there. We got video if you come down. The whole place mash up, man. Shirley Hill. I mean, I talk about Falmouth, I hear about Clarkstone, Shield, and place they flatten. You know? Yeah. But the Prime Minister will tell you still. Structure in a region, they have to withstand category 5, you know.
Alright, Dad.
So, young people prove it and see it. It's what them really want, because them say they want to see storm, you know. So them see it. Yeah, but it's not nice. It's not really nice, you know. Just give thanks, say, no casualty in Duanzil still off. When me know of, you know. But the wicked man, wicked man. Wicked man, he come like him say, you know, so I left some people. You know, after 5 when they blow and people think say done. You know, so I left some people up so. And turn back and come back in at 7 o'clock. And wheel up. Yeah, man. Come back up from the north again, west, northwest and mash up the place. Yes, the church of God, church, it's not too bad. You know? Not too bad. See, all I iron them dig out of the wall, blow up it. Eh? I mean, I tell you, say people them go and help themselves because I hold for roof, put on back already. I don't tell no lie. The whole for people put on roof. See, I'll miss me original shop here. Gone. Yeah. I hold for roof and put on back. But I tell you the truth, so I house them withstand the pressure and turn up on it still, you know. Yeah. Even the deck house. See, Mr. Brown or Bravo, everything flat. Everything flat over there. All them tree them, you know. Yeah, man, but Falkland not too bad up, they kind of stand up. Water we come in the house them still, but expect that. You know, so touchy road and so I can get still some little film. What I can get, see all on beach over there so now. Duanzil new beach this. See there? Pure water.